Welcome, fam. If your neck's tight, your back stiff, and your body feels like it's been folded into a chair all week, this is for you. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to undo the damage of desk life, wake up your spine, and reset your posture before the day pulls you back down. Let's hit the mat. Stand tall, interlace your fingers behind your back. Now roll your shoulders back and pull your hands down as you lift your chest up toward the sky. This is your first armor break. Hours of screen time collapse the chest, steal your breath, and shrink your confidence. But this move, this flips the script. I promise if you do this daily, you'll walk taller, breathe better, breathe deeper, and feel lighter. Beginners bend the elbows if needed. Advanced reaches try a slide forward fold with arms lifted. Did you know that opening the chest actually improves digestion and boosts mood? Your gut and brain are more connected than you think. Pull the hands back and hold it 5 more seconds. Feel that stretch down your biceps and chest. That's your posture rewiring. That just unlocked your front chain. Now let's dive into the shoulders. Lift your right arm up, bend the elbows, and gently pull it back with your opposite hand. Keep your chin neutral and spine tall. This one targets the forgotten tightness that creeps in when you're working hard but moving less. I promise this will give you more freedom every time you lift, reach, or carry. Beginners support your elbow without pulling. Advanced stretches lean slightly to the left for an extra side stretch. Hold strong for 5 more seconds. Do you feel that right in the tricep or lats? That tension is on its way out. Now let's balance it out. Same thing, opposite side. Pay attention. Does this side feel tighter? That's often where stress hides. Use your breath to soften the stretch and lift tall through the crown of your head. Breathe through this 5 more seconds. Does this side resist more? That's your cue to give it just a little more love. Now let's unlock your hips. Sit with your feet flat, knees bent. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and alternate. Repeat slowly, mimicking windshield wipers. This movement restores rotational access to your hips. I promise it helps relieve lower back pain and improve your stride. Beginners, use your hands behind you for support. Advanced stretches, lean forward slightly and increase your range. Did you know that tight internal rotators can lead to foot pain and even shoulder tension? Yep, it's all connected. Do one more round. Hold the inward drop for 5 seconds. Feel more freedom already. That's your pelvis realigning. Now let's finish with the stretch your spine's been craving. Stand up, feet shoulder width apart. Reach right arm overhead, then bend gently to the opposite side. Keep your hips square. This move doesn't just lengthen your waist, it makes breathing easier and posture more powerful. I promise your lungs, ribs, and even your digestion will thank you for this. Beginners, keep the hand on your hip. Advanced reaches, try lifting both arms and alternate sides. Final challenge. Can you hold it just 5 more seconds on each side? Feel that stretch from ribs to hips. That's you resetting everything from today's desk grind. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth and not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.